Hey guys, today we're going to be installing a jack puck on the C8 Corvette. This is a mod that I highly advise you do as a first mod if you're into modifying cars, or you're going to be working on your own car, or you plan to get this car serviced. These pucks come in packs of 4. You can get them on Amazon or any reputable vendor. They also come with additional supplies so that you can secure them. So depending on which vendor you get them from, you'll either have 1 or 2 holes here for the bolts. And all it really does is it's securing it here so that when you push it through the hole underneath the under panel, that you can rotate this so it locks in, and then when you screw it in, that'll make the contact between the metal and that'll secure it in place. So you have nothing to worry about there. This is gonna allow you to then jack up the car on this puck, so you're not having metal to metal contact and you're not potentially jacking it up in the wrong place and having it fall off like this Corvette. There's going to be 2 spots in the front of the car and 2 spots in the rear of the car. Once you have the bolts threaded through, it's time to find where the spot is. And so if you look according to the diagram, you're going to see it. It's going to be this one right here for the rear end. And it's not going to fit any of these other holes that you may see down here. And you'll know because you'll be able to thread this through pretty easily, just like that. And then we're going to turn it 90 degrees. So that way when we tighten it, that will secure itself and it won't fall out. So once you're done installing the jack pucks on all 4 corners, your car is ready to be serviced without the fear of it falling off the lift. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.